So in this video, I want to highlight the alto part for the chorus. The verse and the bridge is all unison, and as far as what's written on the sheet here, so the main thing I'm going to highlight is the alto part in the chorus. But this is the verse. We've waited for this day, we've gathered in your name, calling out to you. Your presence like a fire, awakening desire, will burn our hearts with truth. You're the reason we're here. You're the reason we're singing. Open up the heavens, we want to see you. Open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. So normally we go to the second verse here, but I'm going to go on to the bridge. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. There's a short instrumental. We want to see you, so open up the heavens. We want to see you, open up the floodgates, a mighty river flowing from your heart and filling every part of our praise. And we're going to repeat the chorus again, but this is the tag. Show us your glory. Show us your power. Show us your glory, Lord. And again, we'll decide how many times we want to repeat that. But I hope that helps. Thanks a lot.